Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Cece, and in this video we'll be looking at a free TEFL certification course. Okay, so some of you are just starting out, you're trying to get into ESL and you don't even know how to get started, you don't even know how to get a certification, or you don't have money to get one. I'm going to show you a free TEFL certification you're gonna get to get started. Okay, though a lot of schools aren't accepting this, but there are so many schools that you can use this certificate to apply to. Okay, because currently I have another one, I have another certificate, but I still use this certificate. Okay, I still use this free certificate to apply to schools, and yes, that's what I've been working with for the past years. I've been an ESL teacher, so I'm going to guide you step by step on how to get this, on how to get registered, sign up to this platform, and get started with your certificate. So if you're here to subscribe to my channel and you're still watching up to now, please give us a thumbs up and like, comment, share, okay, to enable other teachers see this video and learn. Okay, so let's get into it. Hello there. Hi Bessie.
So this is how to get a free TEFL certificate. You can use it to apply for jobs. So a lot of companies are no longer accepting this, but there are still companies accepting it, especially some companies from China, those doing freelancing. They still accept this certificate. In fact, seriously, that is what I still work with, even though I still have another one, but this is what I'm still working with. So if you want to get a free TEFL certification to start your journey, I advise you start with this. Then when you start working and making money, you can get a paid one. So it's called Teacher Record. So I'll show you how to register, how to get started. So this is the link. So this is the link. I'll be dropping the link in the description part, and also I'll drop it in the comment section so you can easily access it. So let's get started. I think I'm gonna be using Teacher CC. Okay, so this is the next thing. You choose your email. Okay, so we're gonna create account because we are trying to register. TEFL applicants apply for TEFL certification. So click on continue. Sign up as Teacher CC. Yes, your password must be 5 to 20 characters learned. Okay, so let's choose one. Let's choose okay. So now I'll be going in to fill my name. So this is for educational purpose, so I'll be using any name. I can use any country. This is for educational purpose. So in most of my videos I just choose any country. Most of my videos I choose any country I want to for educational purpose. So depending on your country where you're working from, you can choose the country where you're working from. Okay, because definitely these sites, they are going to verify your ID, so please do not impersonate, do not lie about your nationality. Okay, because definitely you'll be asked to verify your ID. So if you're going to verify your ID and the nationality you're putting here is different from what you're putting, it might be a problem. So please. So I'm going to just use let me say Rebecca. First name, let's say Dana. Dana, middle name, middle name, um, Jojo, Jude. So personal education, bachelor's degree, put your educational level. Please select years of experience. Select your years of experience. So I've worked for over 5 years. Please enter your nationality. So I'm gonna use okay, let me use Nigeria. Please enter your current location and search. Okay, let me use Abuja. No. Current location. Enter your current location to search. Okay, these are countries. Okay. So you still have to put the nationality. Then yes, continue. Please confirm your email. So just let's confirm the email. Let's confirm our email. A verification has been sent. Let me confirm. Okay, so yes, this is the password. Create my account. So it said registered successfully. So I have created the account. Okay, so this is 120-hour professional TEFL program. So yes, you're here because this is a direct link. So the next thing you do, this is the certificate already, then you click on start. Okay, but yeah, you can actually change your passport. You can update your passport here, saying hello. So this is also going to serve as your resume. After doing your course here, you can update your resume. Okay, you can update your resume. You can update your yeah, look at this is resume. As after completing this course, you can do that. So this is it. This is nationality, gender. You put female. Because see, you can actually apply for jobs on this platform. So once you have your resume set up and you have your certification, you can apply for jobs. There are lots of jobs on this platform. Okay, you can apply for jobs on this platform. Sorry. Then your date of birth, you have to impute it. I'm not going to put all these things. To me, it's not necessary. But yes, for you who is just a starter, you need to fill them. Ethnicity, your email address. This is the number after completing the certification. Work experience next. So it's not going to move because okay, I'll just have to put something since it's for educational purpose. So I just have to put something. I just have to fill up this space. Okay, so let's go to work experiences successfully saved. You can always update your information too. On this platform, you can also update your information. Maybe you made a mistake while updating your CV. Your resume, you can always update it. This 5 years, my work experience, job title where I worked. Job title. What was your position where you worked? Are you an English teacher? What are you doing there? Then company name, which company? Is it Nova Kids? Is it BaseMate? You have to put it there. Job type. That is it online or offline? Okay. Then once you started and ended. So if it's not ended, so you have to choose currently work here. Whenever you're filling up a form most times online you see currently working. So if you still work there, you can fill it up there. Job type online, I'll just have to put something there. Just trying to job title so I can move. So if you don't have any experience, you can choose I'm an aspiring teacher, okay? But yes, I have over 5 years of experience online, teaching online. So yeah, these things are cleared. Okay, then you save. It takes you to education. Okay, please, you fill your education here. You can also add another work experience. Look at it here. You can add another work experience here. So next education. So I have a bachelor's degree. Major, did you do nursing, science? Did you study English? Did you study linguistics? Did you study public administration? That is your major. Whenever you see major field of study, that is your major. The school name, the university you graduated from, then country, which country did you study, the month you started, the year you started, and the year you completed your education. After filling it, you save. So I'm still gonna put something here. Just choose things randomly because this is for educational purpose. Then your teaching certificate, that is after, remember I said after you've completed your you can fill this after you've completed your TEFL certification. Once you get your certificate, you can attach it. Your certificate name, issuing organization, you have to put it here, month, then you save too. The issuing organization, is it teacher record, is it Waterso Academy? Just fill it there. So this certificate name, is it TEFL, is it TESOL, is it CELTER? So these are English certificates, please. Then you save, and needs to be start date. Okay, let me put 2018. Then teaching certificate details. Add your teaching certificate. I do not have a teaching certificate. You don't have yet. So next, your teaching profile. So you'll be seeing how many percent you've done. Languages you speak. Put the languages you speak here. Let's just put yes. Then teaching subjects, business, language, teaching language. Let's just say Japanese. Then your self-introduction, talk about yourself, okay? I'm teacher CC. I have a bachelor's degree and I'm TEFL certified. I've been teaching online for the past 5 years, all those things. So yes, you're gonna put. Then here, cover letter, like you applying. You can always find AI can guide you on how to write a good cover letter. So just write your cover letter and put here an information. So we're moving forward. Teams. Do you have a Teams account? Team, you put it here. Your WhatsApp, your classing ID, your WeChat ID, because most times companies will love to contact you via these means. Your phone number, very important. You fill them. I hope these people will let me. 658-522. Okay. 658-522. Classing ID. Yeah. Remember, this is for educational purpose, okay? Then job enter. WhatsApp number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. So we are close. So this is add your job expectations. Let's see job expectation. What kind of job online do you want to teach abroad? So you always see they will send you notifications of abroad jobs abroad. Working time, how long do you want to work? Working days, you want to work 4 days a week? Do you want to work 4 days a week? Okay, working period daily, Beijing time. Okay, because most of these schools teach Chinese students, so Beijing time is Chinese time. So if you're in South Africa, China is 6 hours ahead of you. If in Nigeria, China is 7 hours ahead of you. Depending on where you are, you have to just check their time. Okay. So 3 p.m. from the what time do you want to work from? What time Beijing time? What time Beijing time? Please always find out. Okay, always find out. Compare the time to your time, then you set it according to Beijing time. So most times their evening is usually our morning. So your salary, how much do you want? Is it $3 to $5 per hour? No, salary negotiable. Would you like them to negotiate it? So bank transfer, what would you like to use? I use Payoneer. I can also use PayPal. Yes, or bank transfer, anyone. Then student age, how from what range to what range? Do you want to teach from 3 years to 12 years? Then you choose it here. Yeah, just save. Okay, then personal video, your introduction video. You must have made your introduction video, please. You're going to attach it here. You have to attach it here. So they're telling you the format video. Convertvideoonline.com. Cannot contain any dots. So these are things you need to check, please. Video length, no limitation, so you can do 2 minutes, but please, if you're doing an introduction video, at least 1 to 2 minutes, please. It shouldn't exceed 2 minutes, please, so you don't bore them with your video. Then let's say finish. That's 100%. So we are done. Okay, resume created. So let's say continue. Let's see. So this is you can always update, you can always edit. So whenever you want to edit it, just click on this thing, then edit. Yes, click on here. There's something like this. Sorry, my computer is a screen touch, so I don't know. I'm just using so you can always click here. Don't mind me. So that's that. So let's go to the certificate. So this is your TEFL certificate. You click on start. So this is the course. Okay, you start the course, please. It has, I think, like 13 modules. Okay, these are the modules. Okay, so after you have to write tests. After studying, you write test. After studying, you write test for each module. So I wish you luck. Okay, I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, please do well to subscribe. Please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, click on the notification buttons to get more videos like this from us, and give us a thumbs up. If possible, share to your friends, share to other new teachers to learn. Okay, so I hope to see you in our next video. Until then, bye.